Hi, here's a super simple wash day and styling routine for colored and dry hair. First, you want to use a moisturizing shampoo like this. I'm using the Amazing Grace Daily Restoration Shampoo. It's creamy and it lathers a lot and it cleans my hair without stripping my natural oils. I focus on the scalp and let the lather wash my hair. After you rinse it out, you want to use an intense hydration conditioner like this, but you know what? I like to leave it all in. You can use less or more based on your hair needs. So for me, I like to use it like a hair cream. You can either use a brush or finger coil. I like to finger coil my hair, and this is how I do it. I actually make sections. My third important tip for colored hair is to end with a serum or a hair gel. Try not to disturb the curl clumps that are already formed by smoothing it on like this. Once you've done it, you can either air dry or diffuse. I like to do both. And these are my results.